minute actually to take whatever you're feeling and send it somewhere that you feel inspired to send it. Even if it's nowhere in particular, it'll go to the right place. Direct it somewhere if you have a place in mind. Music and vibration have immense powers to amplify whatever we are thinking, feeling, intending, praying for. That's why it's such a pleasure and a blessing to be able to offer this in service of world peace and internal peace. Of course, world peace begins within. And I'm working actually at the U of A hospital, providing music there part-time, and really loving and honored and blessed to be able to actually see firsthand how music can really have an impact on a very profound level in the healing process. Looking for ways to explore that even more. Of course, we all know it, we feel it, but yeah, there's actual physiological, chemical things that happen when we come together and we make sound. We're all vibration. And especially in the whole co-creation process, using the law of abundance to firmly plan our intentions and direct them through sound and vibration can be very powerful. So in this next mantra, we'll chant to an aspect of the creation. We chanted to the feminine Shakti, we'll chant to Shiva in the form of the dance Nataraj, Nataraja. Nataraj, Nataraj, Jai Shiva Shankara, Nataraj. So hooray for the one that sometimes shakes us up so we can stay on our directed path. Jai Shiva Shankara, Nataraja. And then Om Namah, I bow again. Beautiful to have that energy of honoring and humbleness, if you will. Om Namah.